Hey everyone, welcome back to the GOTRAX YouTube channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the GKS Lumios, which is our brand new kid scooter. Has a lot of cool new features. It's fully electric. Super excited to get into it, so let's unbox this thing. Alright, so after unboxing it, you're going to get a couple of things right here. So obviously you're going to get the guide on how to build it, information about how to build it, how to charge it, all the things that you would expect. We have a quick start guide, which I think is really useful, especially for the charging unit. Speaking of that, charging unit right here, super small and sleek, right in this little plastic bag. So all you're going to have to do is take that out. Be good to go there. And you're going to get your 2 Allen's wrenches, couple of screws, because we got to put this thing together. As you can see, it's not ready to go. I'm going to put this together. I'm going to speed this up. Alright, so after finished building this thing, I'd say it took me about 7 to 10 minutes. Super easy to build. Like I said, you're only going to have to screw in right here. 1, 2, back end, 3, 4. The other Allen's wrenches you're going to use is going to be the smaller Allen's wrench. That's going to be for up top for tightening up the handlebar so you can adjust it to what you like. It has a lot of sweet features that I'm going to go over. I think one of the coolest ones that we added to this scooter is the adjustable size. Our other scooters didn't have this. Now basically the GKS can grow with your kid. You're not going to be jumping around buying him a new electric scooter for God knows how much money. This can grow up with the child, and with the kid. It's awesome. It's got 3 settings, got a low, medium, high. It's gonna keep going up and up and up. And yeah, let's turn this thing on and let me show you probably the coolest feature that I'm most excited about. And that is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but okay, not sure if you can see me, but that doesn't matter. Boom. Sick new glowing front wheel light. This is a $130 scooter. It's a perfect holiday gift. We do have our holiday sales going on right now. Go check out our website. Leave a like rating and a comment. We love to hear your feedback. I love to answer questions, any troubleshoot questions. Put those in the comments. We try our best to get to them as efficiently as we can. That's it. That's the GKS Lumios. Super cool scooter. Hope you guys check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.